This Christmas, let us celebrate our triumphs and accomplishments as we weather the storm, rose up, united and resilient. It's been a year of triumphs, undoubtedly made possible by the advocates among the Philippine Society of Nephrology members and chapter heads, leaving no patient behind. We truly forge ahead with earnest.
We encourage members to extend these values beyond the society, fostering unity and resilience within their communities and the country.
During Typhoon Falcon, the PSN showed initiative in distributing medication to those who most need.
Determination and resolve underline the innovative drive of the society to treasure the diversity of expertise and perspectives that contribute to a unified approach in addressing kidney health issues.
It is our ardent hope that our members live out the life of compassion, generosity, and togetherness that define the holiday season.
Adversity tested our resolve. Steadfastness, dedication, and perseverance are the keys towards reaching our objectives.
With the pandemic behind us, the society reflects on the eminent challenges of COVID-19 pandemic and the emergence of our adaptability and innovation.
The year went by not without challenges, yet we stand here together and stronger.
Our North Star has always been and will always be advancing nephrology care in the Philippines, echoing diversity and inclusiveness.
We hope to continue more of the same as we journey to our North Star, building on our members to extend these values beyond the society, fostering unity and resilience within their communities and the country.
All the members of PSN deserve the biggest thank you for a triumphant year of learning, camaraderie, fellowship, and service.
We commit to continue unity and resilience in the pursuit of excellence in kidney health. And we hope we can count on our members for your unwavering commitment to nephrology care.
Happy holidays!
Malipayon nga Pasko.
Mayong Pasko kanatong tanan.
Naragsak nga Pasko kada kayo amin.
Malibayong nga Pasko.
Maabig ya Pasko!
Maupay na Pasko.
Maya pa Pasko kekongan.
Maugmang Kapaskuhan sa Intugabos.
Felices Pascua!
Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon! Thank you.